Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can zip and unzip files on Chromebook. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up a file. So let's go to the launcher here. All right, and then let's go to Files and click on Files. All right. So from here, you can select the files that you want to zip. You can hold on Control on your keyboard and click on the files that you want to zip. So for example, we can choose these files. Now after that, you can right click and click on Zip Selection. Now after that, it is going to create a new file here called archive.zip. Now you can rename this one. You can right click and you can go to rename, and let's just name this one test. Okay, now that is how we zip file in Chromebook. Now to unzip this one, you can right click on the file and click on extract all. Now this is going to take you to the folder where the files are extracted. And also when you go back, you can see that there is also an entire folder for those extracted files in here. Alright, so that would be all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.